Hello! In this video I will review the PIXMA TS8700 series, the 6-ink single-ink multifunctional printer. I will cover the following in this video, and more will follow with the unboxing and setup video on this device. These models may be called different names in different regions. I use TS8750 in this video. Find more information in the manual's link in the description. The 8700 series is successor of TS8330 series. And there are 5 key differences or improvements in the new model. Find more about predecessor unique features in the video in the upper right corner of the screen. Hey Google, talk to Canon printer and print a letter set.
Okay, getting Canon printer. Printing for you now. I can also print out coloring pages, number place puzzles, notebook paper, checklist paper, staff paper and more.
Let me start the product review by talking about the new inks. There are new cartridges and the ink number 6 is now the gray ink. To print photos, you can find lots of QR codes on the box. Single ink printers are always about high quality printing. I put the photo media to the rear tray. There is a paper width sensor on this device which narrows down the selection of the media on the screen. I print my first photo on this device from the mobile. Below the paper cassette, you find the MP tray, which can be used to print CDs or DVDs, or you can print nail stickers. User interface is new. You can select different scenes, which can be also customized. Connection to Canon Cloud link to print or scan from the cloud is supported. The cloud menu can be rearranged, and you can add additional applications. From the scan menu, there is new functionality called Save to Smartphone. Without installing any application, you scan to the cloud and then you can retrieve your document by scanning the on-screen QR code. On the box you find eco features. The packaging is only by used molded paper. So no plastic waste on the unboxing, which I do on the next video on this device. Two-sided print can be preset. Next, I enter the copy menu to demonstrate the copy speed. There are a lot of options from the copy menu. Let me do the color copy as well. Let me compare the copy quality. Very nice color reproduction, but monocopy is water resistant, as only pigment black is used on this print. It is also marker resistant and scratch resistant. There is no show-through on this print when I pour the water. From the print menu, you can also print from memory card, from cloud, or print the templates. Different templates are available to be printed. As this printer is very feature-rich, I recommend checking Get the most out of your printer from the web manuals. There are a lot of QR codes on the box about software or apps, and also QR codes from the quick guide menu. You can learn more about the printer by scanning the QR code, which guides to the web manuals. For the end of the video, let me demonstrate, preview and print from the SD card. And that would be all in this video. Find more videos about printers on my channel. There are lots of Wi-Fi tutorials, product reviews and other useful installations and setups available. Feel free to comment or like the video if you found it useful. And don't forget to subscribe, as this is free and helps me to grow the channel and create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!